Exercise 3.15, the first sum. In exercise 3.15, the first sum, how are we going to do? This is a question. So, in your graph, you need to write a question from up to this and you need to start your answers. So, first sum, a garment shop announces a flat of 50% discount. How much percent discount? 50% discount on every purchase of items for the customers. Draw a graph for a relation between the market price and discount. For all the things, they give 50% discounts. So first we need to do the table. First we need to draw market price and discount. Market price we going in x-axis and discount we going to take in y-axis. Both are rupees, both the units are rupees, because market price is also in rupees and discount is also going to give in rupees. So for every purchase of 50% of the customers, draw the graph relation between market price and discount. So see the subdivisions, they are given a 1,000 times, thousands. There is 3,250, 2,500. Since they are given in the 1,000, we need to mark as a table ourselves. They are not given the table, we need to mark the table by ourselves. So we will mark the table. If a market price is rupees 1,000, the discount will be 50% discount means nothing but 500. 50% discount, 1,000 means 500. We need to do the table. If a market price is 2,000, 50% discount is nothing but 1,000. 50% means half of it. 1,000 off is 100, nothing but 500. 2,000 off is nothing but 1,000. Next, if a market price is 3,000, is nothing, off is nothing but 1,500. If a market price is nothing but 4,000, half of it nothing but 2,000. If a market price is 5,000, it's half of its price is nothing but 2,500. The 5 points is enough to do the sum. After doing the point, we need to draw the line and need to keep it properly, because for every table we need to draw the line. See, we want to make a sharp table so that it looks nice to do. Sorry, I have drawn this. After that, what you want to do? See here. After what I given here. Next, I have drawn table. Next, you need to check. After table, what you need to check? You need to check. What you want to check? Variations. You need to do the variations. What is the variations? Before variations, table. Next, variations. See how the x is 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000. X is increases. X is going on increase. 1,000 after 2,000, 2,000 after 3,000. X is going on increase. How see the y? Y is also increases. 500, 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 2,500. X also increases. Y also increases. X increases and y increases. What is the direction name? What is the variation name? This is called direct variation. It is direct variation. As x increases, y increases, it is direct variation. After variation, we need to draw the equation. What is the equation? If it is a direct variation, what is the equation? Y by x is equal to k. This is our format. If it is direct variation, what is the formula? Y by x is equal to k. So which one is y? This one is y, because these are y, these are x. So I am going to take this one only, this y alone. What is y here? 500. What is x here? 1,000. 1,000 is equal to k. 2 zeros cancel, 5 and 10 cancel 2 times. So k is equal to 1 by 2. K is equal to 1 by 2. I have drawn k is equal to 1 by 2. This k is called proportionality constant. Then points. How the points can be written? X point and y point. 1,000, 500. 1,000, 500. Next point. 2,000, 1,000. Next point. 3,000, 1,500. Fourth point. 4,000, 2,000. Next. 5,000, 2,500. So these are the points. Next, they ask to find what they are asking is nothing but what they are asking we will see. To find, what we need to find? The market price. I need to market price when customer gets a discount of rupees 3250. Discount is y axis, market price means x axis. You have told I need to find the market price. To find market price, I need to find x when customer gets a discount of 3250 from a graph. So what I want to do, this is our finding. To find the first subdivision. What is it given? The market price when customer gets a discount of 3250. The market price when customer gets discount of rupees 3250 is, what is the market price we need to write. Second subdivision, what do you want to find? The discount when market price is rupees 2500. Yes, both are rupees. So as I told, this market price is nothing but x, discount is y. The discount is y, the market price is x, I have told. So using diagram we need to show this. So what I'm trying to see a diagram. This is a diagram. I have drawn a diagram. X dash, you need to write x dash, x, y dash and y. This is very important, you need to. And scale x axis 1 centimeter. Since the x axis are 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, I written 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000 goes on up to 8000 written. This x axis are market price. Y axis are discount. As x axis are 1000, 2000, 3000 goes on, and y axis are 500,000. If you see, the y axis are nothing but 500,000. So I drawn like that. So what is the x axis? Nothing but 1 centimeter is called 1000 units. 1 centimeter is called 1000 units. Y axis 1 centimeter is nothing but 500 units, because the unit is highest 1000 units. 1 unit is called 1000 units. Here y axis 1 unit is nothing but 500 units. So now I need to make a clear points clarification. What are the points we need to mark here? The points, if you want, you can mark here also. Otherwise, you don't need to mark. Because we written first itself, so don't need to write. First point is called 1000 and 500. 1000, 500. What is second point? 2000, 1000. Second point. Third point, 3000, 1500. Fourth point, 4000, 2000. Fifth point, 5000, 2500. So we need to stretch a line. We need to stretch the line by joining all the points. See, these all the points were joined at a time using a straight line. There is no change here. We have drawn. This is moves on. So we write when we want to draw like this. Okay, this is market price. This is discount. So I need to 1000, we need to write 1000, 500. Next point, 2000, 1000. Next point, 3000, 1500. Next point, 4000, 2000. Next point, 5000, 2500. So I have plotted the points. I have drawn the point also. Next, what we need to do? See, what we need to do, I will tell now. Market price when customer, I need to find x when discount is rupees 3250. We need to find where is 3250. When discount is 3250. Discount is 3250. See here, where is 3250? Here 3000, here 500. Here will be 3000, 3250. Here 3000, here 500. Middle of that there will be 3250. In 3250, I need to draw a straight line. I need to draw a straight line in 3250. It cuts here. If you see here, it cuts here. In 300, it cuts here. After cutting, I need to draw the straight line from here to here. See, it reaches between the 6000 and 7000. What will be 6500? between 6000 7000 what will be 6500. So this is 3250, it is 6500, answer is 6500. We need to write rupees 6500, answer is nothing but rupees 6500. Then next I need to find discount y, so I need to y when market price x is given. What is x? 2500. Market price x 2000, this is a market price x. 2000, where is 2500? This is 2500. So I need to start a line here 2500 and I need to stop here, because after line we not move, it is stopped here. So after stopping here, if I going to draw the line, this is the line comes here, 1000 and 1500 and 1000. What is the number? Is nothing but 1250. Between 1000 and 1500, what is the number here? 1250. This point is nothing but, what is this point? 2500. So this point is 2500, this point is 1250, therefore answer is rupees 1250. So this like only we need to plot the points. I need to draw the graph. See the graph. This is result. This result we need to draw mainly by joining the points. And you need to draw the x-axis. So what is here? K equal to 1 by 2. I have found k equal to 1 by 2. No. Afterwards, what you want to do? Since here y by x is equal to k, what is unknown here? K is unknown. So I need to put here. See, this is very, very important. Y by x is equal to, what is k? K is 1 by 2. K is 1 by 2. This x moves here. Y is equal to x into 1 is x. X by 2. This is our required equation. Y is equal to x by 2. We need to write here. Y is equal to x by 2. Put the box. That's all. With this, I am finishing this special graph.